Hello everyone, and welcome back to English with Jenny. My name is Jenny.
And I'm Chris. Thank you so much for joining us today. Whether you're watching from home, from work, or during your study time, we're really happy to have you here.
Today's lesson is especially designed for beginner and lower intermediate English learners, but it's also very useful for anyone who wants to speak more naturally about everyday life.
That's right. In this lesson, we're going to talk about daily routines, the things we do every day from morning until night.
This topic is extremely important because daily routines help you practice basic verbs, simple sentence structures, and natural expressions that native speakers use all the time.
If you can talk clearly about your day, you already have a strong foundation for real-life communication in English.
Before we begin, please remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with anyone who's learning English. Your support really helps us continue creating free lessons like this.
And don't forget to leave a comment. Later in the lesson, we'll invite you to describe your own daily routine in English.
Let's begin by understanding why daily routines are such an important topic in English learning.
When people meet for the first time, one of the most common questions they ask is, "What do you do every day?" or "What does your typical day look like?"
These questions appear in job interviews, casual conversations, classroom discussions, and even English exams.
By learning how to talk about your daily routine, you're learning how to describe actions clearly, use verbs in the present simple tense, speak in a logical order, sound more confident and natural.
Most importantly, daily routines are familiar. You already know these actions in your own language, so learning them in English becomes easier and more meaningful.
Let's now move step by step through a typical day, starting with the morning.
The first thing most people do in the morning is wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping and become conscious. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. She wakes up early on weekdays.
After waking up, we usually get out of bed.
This phrase is very common in spoken English. It simply means leaving your bed and starting your day.
Next, most people go to the bathroom.
In the bathroom, we often brush our teeth, wash our face.
These are basic hygiene actions and very important vocabulary for beginners.
After that, many people go to the kitchen.
In the kitchen, we usually make breakfast or have breakfast.
Notice the difference. Make breakfast, prepare the food. Have breakfast, eat the food.
For example, I make breakfast at home. I have breakfast at 7:30.
After breakfast, we usually get dressed.
Get dressed means to put on your clothes.
If you are leaving the house, you may also put on your shoes. Put on a coat or jacket.
The next common action is leave the house.
After leaving the house, many people go to work or go to school.
Others may work from home, which is becoming more common today.
During the day, many people spend most of their time at work.
Common work-related actions include sit at a desk, work on a computer, answer emails, write reports.
These phrases are extremely useful for office workers and professionals.
People also often have meetings.
A meeting is a time when people come together to discuss work, share ideas, or make decisions.
If you work from home, your routine may be slightly different, but many actions are the same.
You might prepare lessons, write articles, attend online meetings.
Even when working remotely, we still use similar vocabulary.
Around midday, people usually have lunch.
Lunch can be eaten at home, at work, or outside at a restaurant.
For example, I have lunch at noon. I bring lunch from home. I go out to eat with colleagues.
After lunch, most people go back to work.
They continue working until the end of the day.
At the end of the workday, people usually finish work and go home.
Going home is often one of the most relaxing moments of the day.
In the evening, many people like to relax.
Relaxing activities include watching TV, listening to music, sitting on the sofa.
Another important evening activity is cooking dinner.
After dinner, we often wash the dishes.
In the evening, people also enjoy reading a book, talking to family or friends, going for a walk.
These activities help people relax and prepare for sleep.
Before going to bed, People usually prepare for sleep.
This often includes brushing teeth, changing into pajamas.
Finally, we go to bed.
For example, I go to bed at 10:30. She goes to bed late on weekends.
Now let's talk briefly about grammar.
When we talk about daily routines, we usually use the present simple tense.
For example, I wake up at 7. I go to work every day.
This tense is used for habits, routines, and things that are always true.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Try answering these questions in English. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? What do you do after work?
You can say your answers out loud or write them down.
Writing and speaking regularly will help you remember vocabulary faster.
Today, we learned how to talk about a complete daily routine in English.
We covered morning activities, work and daytime routines, evening and night routines.
We also learned many essential verbs used in everyday English.
Learning English is a journey. Progress may feel slow sometimes, but every small step matters. Be patient with yourself, practice regularly, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Thank you so much for watching English with Jenny. Please subscribe, leave a comment about your daily routine, and join us again in our next lesson.
Goodbye, and happy learning.